One day a real rain to come and wash the scum out of the streets. Hello, welcome to
It's Witchcraft.
Yes, it is episode 3, not episode 2. For some reason episode 2 got lost. Nobody knew it existed. Some of you knew it was there. Thank you for watching, you people. In Inglourious Bastards, that was the right way, wasn't it? That's how... The Germans do it this way. That's how we know. You're not German. Welcome to Witchcraft, the weekly, so far weekly show that introduces you to new crafters on the YouTube. Because the algorithm won't do it. I have 4 suggestions for you today. Plus we have another special guest, a very special guest this week. To recommend their own channel. That's nice. Before we get into this, my t-shirt says Buffalo Shaman. It's not in reference to the QAnon guy. Right? I just like the eagle and this guy. I don't endorse QAnon. Now, for a while, people have been asking for crafting drama. I don't really have any crafting drama, but I did have a comment, right, from someone, I don't care to know their name, who said, the bounce has gone from his bungee. I didn't know what it meant. I looked it up. The bounce has not gone from my bungee. I'm assuming they're implying that I've given up all the craft stuff, which is BS. You know, total BS. I'm making a bloody video right now. Well, not this one. I'm in the middle of crafting something. If anything, I'm doing more work than ever. I'm into this more than ever. These are an extra thing. These are on top of what I normally do. Whoever you are, proud of yourself? If anything, I've got more bounce than ever. Should be ashamed of yourself. I don't even remember your name. I don't even remember your name. Anyway, got a list of crafters here. Keep those recommendations coming. Although, if this video does worse than the last, this may be the last Witchcraft. Because, though I'm trying to fight the algorithm is doing its best to destroy me. So, first, we have East Coast Creator. And the title of the video is Clay Star Wars Imperial Walker ... But it's a rhino -cow ... I think. This channel was brought to my attention by some viewers. Several people mentioned this person. Let's take a little look at their video, shall we?
Hello, my little Wookiees.
What the hell's a Wookiee? This is East Coast Creator. This guy has been recommended to me by several people, and I can see why. The guy's very funny. You know, I like to think of myself as funny, so when funny guys admit that someone else is funny, it pains them. It pains me. Not only is he funny, he's very good at sculpting. He does scratch build occasionally. He has been involved in the last couple of big bot bashes from what I can see. But primarily, East Coast Creator sculpts. And he sculpts very, very well. I'm saying he. I'm assuming he. I shouldn't do that. I've got to get out of that. It's they. They sculpt very well. If you like sculpting videos with a bit of scratch building on the side and a lot of humour, dollops of humour, then you should go check out East Coast Creator, who I'm assuming lives on the East Coast, which is never eat shredded wheat. The right hand side of America if you're looking at a map. Next, we have Junk Drawer Studio, which is Betsy, is the host of Junk Drawer Studio, and the video is upgrading all the tokens in Zombicide Black Plague / twice Junk Drawer Studio EP 028. I'm not really a miniature wargaming type. I tried to be, to blend in with you lot. I tried to fit in with you all, but I'm more of a sort of a generic crafter. I like to sculpt and do all other kinds of arty things, just art in general. But I feel like we need to embrace the wargaming miniature side of things a bit more, which I haven't done yet. I'm pretty sure I say that in the voiceover anyway. So why don't we just go to the bloody video?
Have you ever been playing Warhammer and thought, this game is really cool?
No, but it doesn't mean I don't respect those that do. Now, this is Betsy from Junk Drawer Studio, and I realised I hadn't really included any kind of miniature wargaming channels yet. So here we have Junk Drawer Studio, which is a great miniature wargaming channel. Right now she's making tokens. I love it when people make their own tokens for things. That's fun. Now, Betsy is very likeable, full of energy, full of youth, unlike me. And with youth comes the energy, unlike me. Betsy's done a great job with this channel. It feels like a very high production channel. Lots of angles, lots of green screen stuff. It's funny. It's affable. That's my word. I like using that word. And I really hope that you all go to give Betsy a sub and whatever else. She deserves it. She seems to be working a hell of a lot harder than I do. Right. Before we get to the second two recommendations and the special guest recommendation, I'm going to take you over here and show you my lamps again. Come have a look at my lamps. You want to see my lamps? Take a look at these Comfort Glow lights here. Now, turn that on. 3 settings. We've got lovely, that's the warm setting there. That's in between. And then that's pure white, which is what I tend to filming, pure white. Let's get them both on. White too. Now, the great thing about these lamps is they are posable, as well as being super bright. You can move them all around the place. Now, before I had like a floodlight that was fixed to the side, and it was very cumbersome. Now, let's see how well it lights up this rather lovely model of mine. Now, have you ever seen the film The Brain? This is a 3D model I made of him. Look how well that thing is lit up. Superb! I am incredibly happy with these lamps. Now, like I said before, they have the weighted bases, so they hardly move. I mean, it's not like you can't move it yourself. You want it to come in, you want a little side shot. There you go. Tilt it. Turn it to the side. Let's have a little look at this guy. This is the guy from Tales from the Crypt. Remember we had Scott Patton on the first episode? Well, this is the thing that he helped design. And it is lit up beautifully by the Lit Ones Comfort Glow F630 series. Power them down. I like this. Watch this. Nifty. And some lovely lamps. They are, thank you, Lit Ones. They are the Lit Ones Comfort Glow series F630. And you can go to their site, the link will be below, and get 12% off with the code DANLIT12. And in the last episode, the episode that nobody watched, I told everybody that, little did they know that Lit is the surname of, it was my nan, not my granddad. I got it wrong last time. But Lit was the surname of my nan. So technically, my name could have been Dan Lit. And when I was 12, I would have signed all my drawings as DanLit12. So this code has a lot of meaning to me. Also, I mentioned in the last video that my sister, whose name is Chelsea, has taken the surname Lit, which means her initial is C and her surname is Lit, which spells out. Next, we have a channel from Germany, hosted by Lee. The channel is called Arania Constructions, or Arania Constructions. And the video is, I built my Tomodachi Life house in real life. Let's take a little look at it, shall we?
Lately, I've been completely obsessed with Tomodachi Life.
I don't know what any of this stuff is. This is Lee from Germany, and he is making a house from Tomodachi Life. Now, Lee seems to make a bit of everything. There's a lot of sculpting, some scratch building, there's making his own texture rollers, and everything is shot beautifully with great efficiency, like the Germans tend to have. That's terrible. Can I say that? I mean, I was also going to comment on how much I like his accent. I really like the German accent. Am I allowed to do that? I think it's fine as long as you're swiping sideways and not down. Anyway, back to Lee. His videos are very entertaining. Never a single still shot. Plenty of movement, plenty of lovely lighting. Just great all-round videos, and it is criminally underrated. This channel is over 230 videos, and he's still only at 3k subs. So if we can help him out, that would be wunderbar. That's German for Wunderbra. Wonderful. Right, finally from me, still got the guest coming up in a minute with their recommendation. My last suggestion is actually kind of a suggestion from my brother Bill Making Stuff. I wouldn't know this channel if it wasn't for Bill Making Stuff. He did point them out, so credit where credit is due. Bot Does Art, which is hosted by a robot named Arthur, or A.R.T.H. to the U to the R. And the video is painting with coffee. A lot of dots. Is that ellipses? A lot of ellipses this episode. Quite excited about this one. Why not join me and take a look and feel equally excited, or thereabouts? It's not for me to tell you how to feel. It's for me to tell you what to watch. Let's watch it.
Arthur, you're almost at 100 subscribers now.
That's cool, I guess.
Where do I start with Bot Does Art? I didn't mean for that to rhyme. That sounds stupid. This might be my favourite crafting channel, because it is a hell of a lot more than a crafting channel. It's basically a TV show from my childhood. There are characters galore. So much effort. Hand-drawn animations. There's a hairdryer with a face on it. There's the little iris at the webcam. It's funny. It's creative. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. You have defeated me, Bot Does Art. I love the energy and this enthusiasm. I do hope that this enthusiasm continues and that you can keep knocking out videos with this amount of energy. And I hope that everybody watching this will go and subscribe to you to make sure you're well over the 100 mark and well into the thousands, which you should all be doing right now. Well, go on then. Well, that was something. Something special. That's it for my list of suggestions. We've got one more suggestion coming up from a very, very special guest. The guest is from one puppet to another, not implying that any of these people or robots are puppets. And the special guest today is Craftsman, Steady Crafting. Absolute privilege. Not implying that Craftsman is a puppet either. I don't know why I mentioned anything about puppets. There aren't any puppets. Yeah, these are all real entities. Over to you, real thing.
Hello, fans of Dan's of Fan Dan Does What? Thank you, Dan, for letting me be on your illustrious YouTube channel. Craftman would like to recommend y'all check out Miss Mini Life. What a relaxing little channel. She emphasizes on miniatures, focused on miniatures in specific, but lots of great crafting tips, and like I said, very soothing. Hope you're doing good, Dan. Yeah. That's a kiss.
Thank you very much, Craftsman. I'm also a big fan of Miss Mini Life. There's a crow outside. Will not shut the fuck up. So, some very sad news in the Wargaming, Crafting, Games Workshop sphere. John Blanche, dies at the age of 78. Now, you may be saying, who's John Blanche? Well, you are certainly going to recognise these, surely. This one. I'm not a huge Games Workshop guy, but I recognise this artwork. In fact, when I was a child, I did a lot of things very similar. It was very inspirational to me. I would do huge Games Workshop wars scenes, very much like this. In other news, Encounter Terrain, who is this guy here, look, I've got his sticker right there, is doing, this is Instagram, this isn't YouTube, but he is doing his the Encounter 10 by 10 competition thing. It's where you make a diorama and it's 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres. Between June the 8th and June the 29th, I think anyone can enter. There is a panel of judges and the theme is What You Talking About. That's a pun. So if you can get something made in 3 weeks, go to Encounter Terrain on Instagram. You could enter your thing into the competition, and there is a panel of judges. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because I'm on the panel of judges. Finally recognised. I'm on the panel of judges with Apocrypha Now, who's he's there as well. Look, we've got Apocrypha Now right there, with Figuratively Speaking Minis and Sleeping Iron Foundry, and then there's 2 secret panel judges to be announced, which makes them sound more important than me. So, what else have I got to talk about? Right, well, I want to say a big thank you first. We've got three new patrons, Seth Nord, Cedric, and Amber. Thank you so much. Considering that nobody watched the last video, I'm amazed that anybody joined the Patreon. You may have come from another video. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then the Patreon link is here, and it's also in the comments there, tagged, and it's in the info. And it's greatly appreciated. That's it, I think. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And from us here at Witchcraft, we'll miss you.